as you can see, this is a simple animation. Okay, so the thing is, as you can see, there's a rectangle here. This is the frame or canvas that's gonna be rendered in the final output. But the thing is, we can see the extra parts before rendering. So sometimes we are not sure how it looks because of these extra parts. So in order to hide these, the extra area, what you can do is go to camera here. Okay, click camera. Let's go to object mode and then choose camera and then camera again, and then we're gonna go here on camera, this icon, data, object data properties, and go to viewport display. Here there's something called Passepartout. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but yeah, this is the thing. By default it's on 0.5. Click here and drag towards right all the way to 1. Now, as you can see, all the things in the background, the extra area, is removed or hidden. Now you can see how it looks in final render. Even before rendering, you can see the final result. So yeah, that's how we do it. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel.